Hello traders. Today we'll be looking at the higher high, lower low stochastic indicator for MT4. This version plots two colored waves in a separate window, blue for higher highs and red for lower lows, so you can visually track how momentum responds as price pushes to new extremes. I just want to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now on the separate sub-window, the indicator draws two overlapping waves that move up and down between defined levels that changes. The blue wave representing higher high behavior, as we can see on the chart, yeah, with a more colored or thicker colored line, or should I say more deeper shade of the blue color as the trend strengthens. Meanwhile, the red wave represents the lower low behavior, allowing you to see at a glance whether bullish or bearish pressure is dominating. When the blue wave pushes up into the high region, while the red wave is subdued in this area, it visually emphasizes bullish extension. And when the red wave dominates towards the high region, it emphasizes bearish extension. A change in dominance between the red and blue waves around key levels can hint that the current push in one direction is losing strength and that a shift in control may be underway, as we can see at this point on the chart. If we hold our cursor over here, you can see the time it happened. Now if we go over to the settings, we have the time frame for the calculation. We'll leave this at current. But if you are working on multiple time frame, you can select the one that suits your need. We have the calculation period that controls how many bars are used to build the HHLL based stochastic waves, directly affecting how smooth or sensitive they appear. We have the high level and low level inputs, defining the upper and lower zones on the scale, marking where the waves are considered stretched to the upside or downside. And we have the threshold parameter that acts as a filter that decides when the behavior of the waves is significant enough to treat as a higher high or lower low event, helping to reduce minor or noisy fluctuations. We also have the color of the waves, as you can see here. And let's move forward. Who is it for? The HHLL stochastic variant is suited to traders who want a clear two-color momentum and structure view instead of a traditional single stochastic line with arrows and labels. It still applies stochastic style logic to historical price, can give misleading readings in very choppy ranges, and should be combined with your own price action, level analysis, and risk management tools rather than used as a standalone entry and exit system. You can find the download link in the description below. You can also read more about the higher high lower low stochastic indicator for MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.